You're rolling out a new AI tool to your team, but 2 months later, customers complain and biases surface. What happened? Could even the most well-intentioned AI implementation go sideways without ethical oversight? AI offers massive opportunities, but also major risks if misused. Bias, lack of transparency, privacy violations, and reputational damage, and that's just the beginning. Ethical leadership is the guardrail necessary to prevent harm and maximize trust with our AI deployments. Today, we're going to talk about key ethical pitfalls to watch for and how to lead responsibly in the age of automation. The first pitfall we're going to talk about is bias, discrimination, and lack of transparency. AI models can embed historic or unintentional bias, leading to unfair outcomes. Transparency issues also arise when decisions are made by opaque, black box systems that we don't really understand what's going on inside them. We can counter this by conducting regular bias audits, aiming for inclusive training data, and committing to explainable AI wherever decisions affect people. Pitfall number 2 is a lack of governance, accountability, and oversight. Lack of governance frameworks often lead to AI misuse. Few organizations have risk monitoring, audit trails, or cross-functional oversight. What we can do as leaders is establish clear policies, assign accountability and hold people to it, including ourselves, and embed ethics checks in development life cycles of AI tools, as well as having frequent discussions with our team about accountability and ethics. Pitfall number 3 is no ethical leadership or culture in the organization. Ethical AI is a cultural effort, not just checkboxes. Leaders must foster values-based decision-making and encourage dissenting opinions, not just compliance in everything we do, not just what we do with AI or our technical tools. The key is to empower diverse teams, create ethics champions, and elevate human judgment over blind automation. Bringing these things to light in conversations is difficult, but well worth it to create the best solutions. All right, now you have 3 new tools to avoid the pitfalls that come with adopting new tech, especially AI tech. Remember to audit for bias and demand transparency in the AI models you develop and use. Build in human governance and define clear accountability for AI decisions. Who's the person that's accountable for the decision an AI makes? Also, model ethical leadership and make responsible AI a shared team value, not just a policy. To stay human-centric, remember that human values matter more than technical capability and outcomes do. All right, that's all for today. If you like this, please share it with someone who can use it. Like and comment online. What ethical guardrails have you put in place around AI at work? We'd love to hear what you've done and learn from you. If you really did find this helpful and you want to up your leadership game this year, check out our online Be the Boss program. It's 16 lessons to help you become the kind of leader you always wish you had when you were starting out. And if you're interested in that, but you're an operations manager, you're in HR, you're in training, and you have a bunch of managers you'd like to train, check out our Leadership Academy, which is a lot of the same material, but it also is an in-person online coaching hybrid so that you can get the benefit of in-person training and have your new managers working together on their leadership development. All right, go out there, do great things today, onward and upward.